I'm back with a new video. I did this look. I loved how it turned out. And if you guys aren't subscribed already, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. I'll have that down below, and make sure you guys hit that little bell so you guys are always notified when I upload videos, and I'll try to make an effort to upload a little bit more often now. So I really hope that you guys enjoy and keep on watching if you want to find out how I created this makeup look. So I already did one eye off camera, plus my eyebrows are a little... Excuse my face, it's really gross. First thing you're gonna need is the Anastasia Modern Renaissance palette. You don't necessarily need it, but you could get some colors that match up to it. Mine's like all broken. The color we're gonna go into is burnt orange, and I'm gonna take a Morphe M443. Put the burnt orange right in my crease and a little bit above the crease. I forgot to say that I primed my eyelids with the Tarte Shape Tape, and I set it with some Laura Mercier translucent powder. After I just finished blending out the crease, I'm going to go into red ochre using a flat shader brush. I'm just going to pack this on to the lid. Going back in and making sure everything's blended out so you don't have like a sharp line. I don't know why it's showing on camera that I have nothing there. I do. Ooh. And with this Morphe E45, I'm just going in and blending out I can't speak. I don't even remember what I was gonna say. Blending out the eyeshadows, making sure there's no harsh line where the crease is. I'm gonna take Primavera and a small Morphe brush and put it right in the middle. That's so I know where the glitter's gonna go. I'm gonna take some NYX glitter glue with that same brush, putting a little bit on there, just a little dab, just like that, and placing it where I put that gold shadow. Some NYX gold glitter, and yeah, in the color gold. Just taking a little bit. I'm not going crazy with the glitter. Go in with that Primavera shade, and then put it on the outer corner so it blends everything together. Kind of makes the gold pop out if you put it on top as well. I'm gonna go in with the Wet n Wild Mega Liner, and I usually don't use a brush on these. I use an eyeliner brush, and this one's from Michael. I'm gonna use some lashes by Emery. I love their lashes. If you can see, they're really thick and full. These, I think, were the style in... No. I wish I could remember. If anything, I'll have them linked down below what style they are, and if you're interested, you can check them out Instagram, and they have a website too. I'm gonna go in with the House of Lashes. Now moving on to the face, I'm gonna use an Infallible Matte Lock Primer. I didn't know that L'Oreal came out with their primer for, you know, the Infallible line. And then the Smashbox Pore Minimizing Primer. I'm gonna use the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless in the color 322 and using this Real Techniques Expert Face Brush. Using the Urban Decay Naked Skin Concealer in Medium Light Warm. And using this Real Techniques Mini Eraser Sponge. Now I'm gonna bake with my Laura Mercier translucent powder. Excuse, this is a little dirty. Using that same little sponge. I'm gonna use this to set the rest of my face. Peach Blur by Too Faced. Now I'm gonna go into the Cheek Parade by Benefit. It has all of these shades inside the palette. I'm gonna use the brush that it comes with. I'm going into Hoola to contour and bronze my face at the same time. I'm gonna use this e.l.f. blush brush. I use this to wipe away my bake. I love it because it gets right under my eyes. I'm gonna go in with my Milani Baked Blush in Luminoso and this Morphe brush. Now, using the Morphe M501 and this Master Chrome by Maybelline. This Smashbox liquid lipstick. I'm gonna add some of this Anastasia lipstick in Latte on top. Anastasia Beverly Hills lip gloss in Sepia. guys, that is the finished look. I hope you loved it, and stay tuned next week, hopefully, to see another makeup tutorial come out.